They got me flying out over the ocean here. We're going to try and land on an aircraft carrier. This one's the big sim. I'll see if I can get the aircraft carrier in there, but I'm not sure if I can. I don't know if you can see it, but I think that's out there. A little speck right there. Here's the view from outside the window. It's over in the corner on the right. Hopefully that's what I'm looking for. Got my shoes on. Ready to roll. We're getting closer to that carrier, San Francisco Bay Area. Hopefully I don't get shot down here. There it is.
Call the ball, ILS 108.10, heading 352, power off.
Oh boy. I don't know what it's telling me to do, but it might be saying don't get shot down.
Power off.
I'm gonna try and land this.